Hi guys, so it's Nisi. Out here is freezing in Maryland, 7B, and I am going to try to clean up my deck today. It's got to be 30, maybe almost 40 degrees, so maybe high 30s, but it's not supposed to get over 40. I am cold, but I definitely have to clean up this deck because everything's gone. So I'm going to give you a bit of a look of what I'm doing, and then I want to get to work because it's cold standing here, not moving around. I think it'll be better once I start moving. So this is the current state of the deck. So everything's kind of spent at this point, except for the snapdragons I had purchased. So I moved these out here, and they are loving this colder weather. Now eventually they're going to be gone, but they're happy right now. But you can see everything else is gone. My rose bush, dahlias are definitely gone. Peppers, few tomatoes hanging on. And the winds here are not loyal, so they have knocked one of my umbrellas over. But I want to clean this up and get this in a good looking place. And these were all flowers. That container there was where my crimson sweet watermelons were. And out of here was where my sugar babies were. And I guess I didn't pull the vine because look, there's a little sugar baby watermelon kept growing. I guess the bees had still gotten to it. These were my bell peppers, basil, lots and lots of basil. But yeah, everything's gone. So with the exception of my lettuce, the snapdragons, and the dill I have there. Everything else is out. So let's clean it up. This is going to be my first attempt at Vlogmas. So this will be my Vlogmas day one. Honestly, the seasonal depression is here and people don't get it. So tiny bit about mental health. Be kind to each other. Don't tell people they should just get over it or just get past it. Or you don't have to be sad. You can just, buck up. Outside, the sun is going down at like 4 o'clock and hard. I'm doing my best. I'm using my UV light. I'm taking my vitamins. Are you supposed to exercise? I can definitely do that. I miss my parents. They love the holidays and they're gone. My grandparents are gone. It's hard. So I'm doing my best. For those people who are also struggling at this time of year, I love you. I don't have to know you to love you. I love you. Keep trying, keep pushing through. And I'm going to keep making these vlogs. And this is going to hold me accountable, right? I'm going to take my vitamins. I'm going to sit in front of my UV light for 2 hours. I'm going to play with my dog. I'm going to clean up this yard. And we're going to get through this. Oh, Vlogmas day 1. Let's go. I've cleaned up this side, and I don't know how I'm going to get this side. I can blow the leaves off, but I really don't want to throw that in the trash. I would prefer for it to go to yard waste. To do what to do. Those 2 bags are too heavy anyway. I'll have to break them into 2 smaller bags because they're much too heavy. I think you're limited at 40 pounds, but this is significantly cleaned up. So I'm just going to blow off here. What are your thoughts? What should I do? Wait a week? I mean, I don't know. Okay, I don't know. I'll appreciate any feedback. Okay. Well, I'll be vlogging again tomorrow. So I guess if you have any feedback, let me know what you think. Should I just go ahead and take it to the dump? Or should I wait a week and have it go to the county compost? I appreciate your thoughts, because ultimately that'll be what I'm going to do, because I am indecisive here. I'm going to blow the rest of this waste off, and I'll wait to hear back. I think this looks a lot better. Obviously, with the umbrella up, and we got up most of the waste. It looks a lot neater. And that tray there, I'm actually going to save that dirt that's in that container because it really didn't have much in it. But there's one here and here and here I'm going to clear out. So that's it for today's Vlogmas. I'm about to go clean off my carrots now and take a picture of my little watermelon I tried. Bye.